Building a snow fort is an excellent family activity for winter, offering a unique outdoor experience. However, safety is paramount, so always build with others and have a lookout in case of collapse. Begin by determining the desired structure, whether a simple wall or a complex fortress, and mark the perimeter, keeping in mind that 4 feet is typically an adequate height. Crucially, the snow must be dense for building. If suitable snow isn't available, you can use containers to pack snow bricks or pour cold water over the snow to create a stronger base. When constructing the walls, use packed snow or bricks, ensuring the interior walls are perpendicular, then smooth and slightly slant the exterior walls for durability. For maximum structural integrity, finish by carefully pouring water over the fort from the bottom up when temperatures are below freezing to form a protective layer of ice, and consider adding color with food coloring and illumination using low-power LED lights, along with other decorations like snowmen or flags to customize the fort.